Accelirated Discovery is a service offering based on our proprietary process discovery methodology, where we focus on identifying the optimal candidates for robotic process automation. We do so by utilizing our four-phased approach, beginning with the standardize phase, where we focus on laying the foundation and understanding how your organization is structured and what your automation motivators truly are. Upon identification of the task being performed in the organization, we move forward to our categorize phase, where our goal is to classify these tasks into one of three categories: mechanical, intelligent, or waste. Once the tasks have been standardized and categorized, we will be able to organize them into representative candidates to be assessed for their automation feasibility and ease of implementation, along with projected savings to give the client a full view of their potential ROI. The rationalize phase is the final step in our methodology, where we actually create your automation pipeline and present our findings to the business so they can now make an informed decision on their way their automation pipeline will be implemented with a clear and accurate timeline.